Slido community. Have you ever had a meeting full of awkward silence? Of course, we have to. Silence is a normal part of any meeting, but Slido can help you manage that silence effectively. Here's how you can use our new features to take your facilitation to the next level. People need time to process what you're telling them, but it can be difficult trying to tell if they are disengaged or just thinking. The typing indicator feature in Slido shows how many participants are still typing their responses, so you can use that to gauge when to wait for responses and when to move on to the next question. To set it up, activate your open text or word cloud poll, then open present mode, and then as soon as participants are typing, you will see the typing indicator in the top left corner. Being the first to speak can be intimidating for participants, but if you can tell who submitted an interesting response, you can address them directly and then start a discussion that way. Here's how you set up this feature. Create an open text poll, type in your question, and make sure that Show Respondent Names is ticked. Click Save, and then activate your poll. Now open present mode and wait for participant responses to pour in. You're likely to have multiple points of view in any group, so you can use topics in open text polls to filter through responses and focus your discussion on the most commonly mentioned themes. Here's how you set up topics. Go to Event Settings and select Slido Labs. Then scroll down to the bottom and enable open text topics. Click Save, and then activate your open text poll. Open present mode, and as participants send in their responses, you will see topics appear at the top. To then filter through responses, click on a topic. And that's it. We hope these features help you with facilitating and make your next meeting even more engaging. See you next time.